Check a 1, 2. Oh shit, I didn't mount this mic up right. I'm gonna be bitching about that later. Hey now. Hey now. Check 1, 2, testing. Can I record when it's plugged in? Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. This is the mic sewn in. Looks a little low. Probably have to reposition. Check 1, 2. Let's see how we do. Stop, motherfucker. What's that? Check 1, 2, 3, 4. New mic. Check and check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find out if this ain't gonna be a whore. Check microphone. Check. Stupid fuck, lost connection. How the fuck do you do that? I just fucking redid this whole thing.